Hey guys, so the next thing we're looking at in this one is an amortization schedule. Um, if we're really looking at one, the full amount would actually show every like month's worth of payment, and it breaks down the principal, the interest, and then your ending loan balance at the end of that payment. Um, this example is only 12 months of payments, so you can still see down here at the bottom corner that there is still a ending loan balance because it's not fully paid off. So this isn't a full value. But up at the top, it's going to give you some important information I want to highlight. So just pointing out that it's going to tell you that loan amount. It's going to tell you what your interest rate is. It's going to tell you your term rate. And it tells you also the start date here that this loan began in January 2010. You can see that it breaks it down, the amount going to principal and interest. And you can see in this first year of payments, the amount going to principal is really low. That happens on all loans. It takes a while for it to switch where you actually pay more to principal than interest. So we're going to answer these four real easy questions. What is the loan amount? You guys, that loan amount is the starting balance. That was up in the upper left-hand corner. This is a loan worth 100 grand. Easy peasy. Next piece, what is the monthly payment? In order to find the monthly payment, what you're actually going to do is add principal and interest for the month, because monthly payment is made up of principal and interest. Okay, so I'm going to add $302.01 that was my principal in January, and I'm going to add the $625 that went to interest that month. My total loan payment is $927.01. Okay. When it asks you, you guys, I would just use whatever the first one is just to keep it simple. Now, if you really wanted to add those again, you could add February's payment, $303.90 and $623.11 will also give you the exact same payment amount. You guys, the next piece is a pain. There's just no way around it. You want to find the interest paid in the first year. Well, this is the first year of payments from January 2010 to December 2010. This isn't difficult. It's just really tedious. Oops, sorry, that's a plus sign. I have already done this because you don't need to see me type in 12 values. But if you look here, I've typed in all of the interest values paid, starting with that January 2010 value. So you can definitely go back and do that math. So it looks like total interest paid for this loan was $73.72.78. I'm going to go ahead and mark that in. You guys, and then for the same, it would be the same thing for this last question, which I did not pre-calculate. But if they ask you for the amount of principal paid in that first year, this is the first year of payments. So you're going to take those all and add them up. That's just a matter of verifying your answers. It's not difficult math. So that's all we're going to look at for today.